Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta clutch master cylinder. First, identify the master cylinder's location, typically behind the clutch pedal inside the cabin. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a 10mm socket, a 14mm spanner, and fresh DOT4 brake fluid. Always prioritize safety by properly supporting your vehicle and disconnecting the battery before starting any work. Now, let's remove the old cylinder. Begin by disconnecting the hydraulic lines from the master cylinder, being mindful of fluid leakage. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry off the hoses and elevate them to minimize fluid loss. Next, remove the two 10mm bolts holding the master cylinder to the bulkhead and detach any retaining clips. Finally, carefully wiggle the old master cylinder free from its mounting area. With the old one out, it's time to install the new master cylinder. First, position the new unit into its designated slot, ensuring proper alignment. Secure it by reinserting the two 10mm bolts and any retaining clips. Then, carefully reattach the hydraulic lines, making sure they are firmly connected to prevent leaks. A good method to reduce trapped air is to attach the top hose first. The final crucial step is bleeding the clutch system to remove any trapped air. This is often done by gravity bleeding or using a pressure bleeder, pushing fluid from the slave cylinder back to the reservoir. Keep topping up the reservoir with fresh DOT4 fluid. Once bled, check all connections for leaks and thoroughly test the clutch pedal for a firm, smooth operation. Your Fiesta's clutch should now feel like new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.